Hi, in today's video, we will discuss about countable nouns. First, noun countability. The major division of English nouns is into countable and uncountable. Countable nouns are easy to recognize. They are things that we can count. For example, pen. We can count pens. We can have one, two, three, or more pens. Here are some more countable nouns: dog, cat, animal, man, person, bottle, box, litter, coin, note, dollar, cup, plate, fork, table, chair, suitcase, bag. Countable nouns can be singular or plural. I want an orange, not I want orange. Where is my bottle? Not where is bottle. When a countable noun is plural, we can use it alone. I like oranges. Bottles can break. Here you can see that oranges and bottles both are plural nouns and we have used them alone. Now we can use some and any with countable nouns. I have got some dollars. We have used here some before dollars. Have you got any pens? Here we have used word any before pens. Now we can use a few and many with countable nouns. I have got a few dollars. Few, the word which we have used before, the word dollars. I haven't got many pens. Here we have used word many before pens. People is countable. People is the plural of person. We can count people. There is one person here. There are three person or there are three people here. So we have seen that person is the singular of people and we have used it in the first sentence. There is one person here and people is the plural of person, so we have used in the second sentence there are three people there here. Now let us move to uncountable nouns. Unlike countable nouns, uncountable nouns are substances, concepts, etc. that we cannot divide into separate elements. We cannot count them. For example, we cannot count milk. We can count bottles of milk or liters of milk, but we cannot count milk itself. Here are some more uncountable nouns: music, art, love, happiness, advice, information, news, furniture, luggage, rice, sugar, butter, water, electricity, gas, power, money, and currency. Now, we usually treat uncountable nouns as singular. We use a singular verb. For example, this news is very important. We have used a singular verb is after this news. News is a plural. Now, your luggage looks heavy. We have used here the singular verb, that is looks. Now, we do not usually use the indefinite article a or an with uncountable nouns. We cannot say an information or a music, but we can say a something of, like a piece of news, a bottle of water, a grain of rice. Now, we can use some and any with uncountable nouns. I have got some money. Have you got any rice? Here, money and rice are uncountable nouns and we have used here some and any before the uncountable nouns. We can use a little and much with uncountable nouns, like I have got a little money, I haven't got much rice. Here, money and rice are again uncountable noun and we have used here two words, little and much. Uncountable nouns are also called mass nouns. When you learn a new word, it's a good idea to learn whether it's countable or uncountable. Now let's see partitive structure with uncountable nouns. To count or quantify an uncountable noun, we use a unit of measurement, a measure word. For example, we cannot usually say two breads because bread is uncountable. So, if you want to specify a quantity of bread, we use a measure word such as loaf or slice in a structure like two loaves of bread or two slices of bread. We call this structure a partitive structure. Now let's see some examples. 2 cups of coffee. Here 2 is the quantity and cups of is major word of and coffee is an uncountable noun. Now second one is several is the quantity, games of is the major word of, and then tennis is the uncountable noun. Again a drop, a is the quantity, drop of is major word of, and water is an uncountable noun. We can use the same uncountable noun in different partitive expressions with different meanings. For example, a loaf of bread and a slice of bread are partitive expressions with different meanings. A loaf of bread is what we call a whole unit of bread that we buy from a baker. A slice of bread is what we call a smaller unit of bread after it has been cut from a loaf. Here are some more examples. Don't forget to buy a bag of rice when you go shopping. Can I have 1 cup of coffee? 1 cup of coffee and 2 cups of tea. The police found some items of clothing scattered around the floor. I need a truck that will take at least 3 pieces of furniture. You would think a tablespoon of honey would be more than enough. In the first sentence, there is a partitive structure, a bag of rice. In the second one, 1 cup of coffee and 2 cups of tea. In the third sentence, some items of clothing. In the fourth sentence, 3 pieces of furniture. And in the last sentence, a tablespoon of honey. These all are partitive structure. The word partitive indicates that only part of a whole is being referred to. The partitive structure using a major words is common with uncountable nouns, but it can also be used with countable nouns. For example, a series of accidents, 2 boxes of matches, a can of worms. So there is no hard and fast rule for countable and uncountable nouns. Now it's all for today. I hope you liked the video. If you like it, please share and do subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And if you have any suggestion, let me know in the comments.